How to use YouTube Shorts with your YouTube Kids content? Here we go. So you have a really great video that you've already created, and maybe there's a good 30, 50, 60 seconds in that video where you've got content that someone might want to see in a short. Kids splashing out of the water at the water park, or the dog chasing your daughter and she trips and falls and everybody ends up laughing. That makes for a really cute short video. For those of you who remember America's Funniest Videos, they used to put these blooper reels together and it was under a minute long. Hey guys, I'm interviewing myself with some great questions about YouTube Kids. And I know you want to know, so instead of sending me all those emails with your questions, we're going to answer them right here. You can repurpose some of the existing content on your channel, download those videos if you don't have them in a storage file, and take together some snippets. Put it in 60 seconds or less. Yes, has to be 60 seconds or less. And use the hashtag shorts in your description. You're welcome. So you want to be on the YouTube Kids app. I'm going to ask you why. In my understanding of the goals for your channel, obviously just posting cute videos about your kids, it's not something you're doing for vanity purposes.